Welcome to today's class, Essential Drawing Techniques. And what we're going to be doing today is a fairly simple, straightforward charcoal sketch. Now this is typically what I would do prior to going to a large painting. But what I'm going to be doing over the next few days is after we do a charcoal sketch, as you can see here, a bit of cartridge papers on there already, behind which you can see a small canvas. Now this isn't very large. This is, I'm guessing about, I don't know, probably 18 inches, maybe about 24, something like that. It's not a huge piece of canvas. But what I want to do is to test out first the design stage of the drawing. Then I want to do a test painting with the colors that I want to use prior to going to a large, maybe 1.6 meter wide canvas, which I've already got prepared up and ready to go. So it's an essential part of my painting process. So let's get started and I'll talk you through how I do this. So first off, I would mark off where the center is, because I don't like putting anything too important in the center. And then where the quarter is, and then marking off where the eighths are. Yeah, I kind of feel there needs to be something here, so I'm going to put a rock there, which maybe leads us into the path. Now, this again is the 3:5 ratio. So let's have a quick look. And see, at this stage, I'm just putting some marks in. I'm not too bothered about what anything looks like. I have that as a kind of rocky area. Now, I kind of feel this needs to be a dark area. There's a few dark zones I would like to look at, and I kind of feel this is going to be one of them. So it doesn't matter what I stick in there, I want it to be dark. So I'm going to put some dark value in that now, as almost like an imprimatura on a drawing, but I don't want it to be precious. I just want to get in there and make some dark marks. The foreground in this particular case is going to be lighter, I feel. But again, this is an experimental drawing. Anything can happen. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create an interest, a journey. That's a really good word. Your paintings need to have a story or a journey within them. And this makes them more interesting. Now that's already, you can see what I mean. We've got foreground, we've got background. And now I want to put the main features in of these trees. Now, let's have a quick think. I want a tree in the foreground here coming up. Now this is in the foreground, so it's not going to be too thin. It'll have a shadow to it, which I can put in now. Here we go, there's the shadow. I'm going to put these in. So this is where a tree is. All these trees, plural, are. And you see, I'm not fussed about how that looks. If it don't look tree-esque, well, don't worry, it will do eventually. You know, just stick something in. And that's the beauty, again, of this type of sketch, is that it's a practice run for the painting itself. Can you imagine what a 1.6 by 1 meter canvas is going to cost? So you don't want to be looking at it after 3 days of painting and going, oh, I wish I'd moved that tree over there. It's best to do it at the design stage first, so you know where you're going to stick the rocks and the trees. And the small painting here, which we're going to be doing from this sketch, again reinforces the message that you're going to work on a right image when it comes to doing that big painting. Some heavier trees maybe in this area because it's foregroundy-esque. Can you see those rocks now? It's just light and dark shapes. You know, how do you paint rocks or draw rocks? Well, you don't. You just paint light and dark shapes, and if you're in the right place, they'll become a rock. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to leave it there. And the next stage from this, like I said, is we'll paint on this canvas here, and then we'll see what that looks and make a decision as to whether we go to a big painting or not. Thank you so much for watching. Hope it was enjoyable for you. Do remember, all you need is a bit of paper, bit of some charcoal and a putty rubber, and just fun, and just have some relaxed time. Take some photographs of elements of the painting, such as a couple of trees, a couple of rocks, paths or whatever. Mix them up and make your own creative study, and just enjoy it and be free. Till the next time, I'll say goodbye. All the best.